At Winway Lighting, every product begins with a clear vision: to deliver reliable, energy-efficient lighting that transforms spaces and respects the environment. From raw materials to finished LED fixtures, our manufacturing process is designed for efficiency, precision, and sustainability. We source premium LED chips, durable aluminum housings, and high transmittance lenses. Each batch undergoes strict inspection before entering production. Advanced SMT lines, reflow soldering, and automated assembly ensure consistent quality and high production capacity. Our smart manufacturing integrates automation with digital monitoring, reducing errors and maximizing efficiency. Every fixture undergoes aging tests, waterproof and dustproof checks, and impact resistance evaluations before delivery. Certified by CB, CE, EMC, LVD, RoHS and FCC, our products comply with strict international standards, ensuring global reliability. OEM and ODM services offer flexibility for diverse projects, from retail spaces to industrial facilities. Lean management and ISO 9001 systems keep our operations efficient and reliable. Skilled employees and continuous training drive our progress, while R&D keeps us ahead in innovation. Winway Lighting: reliable manufacturing, sustainable solutions, brighter futures.